Hi guys, which is larger, 3.14 to the power of pi or pi to the power of 3.14? What do you think? One is decimal number and the other is irrational number. So here what we are going to do in the first step is take natural log on both sides. So we have natural log of 3.14 to the power of pi versus natural log of pi to the power of 3.14. So whenever we have something like natural log of a to the power of b, we can rewrite it as b natural log of a. So the exponent comes here on the left hand side. So this becomes pi natural log of 3.14. And here as well, 3.14 natural log of pi. Now what are we going to do? We're going to divide both sides by pi times 3.14. And here as well. So here pi and pi gets cancelled, and here 3.14 and 3.14 gets cancelled. We have natural log of 3.14 divided by 3.14 versus natural log of pi over pi. Now we are just going to let this be a function f of x, which is equal to natural log of x over x. And here x has to be greater than 0. So is this function increasing or decreasing? If it is increasing, of course the left hand side is smaller. If it is decreasing, the right hand side is smaller. So what do we do here? We differentiate the function. So f dash of x equals the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x times, what's there in denominator? X minus, we get natural log of x, the numerator, times the derivative of x, that is 1 divided by x squared. So we have 1 minus natural log of x divided by x squared. And x squared is greater than 0. Here, if the numerator is positive, then the derivative will also be positive, and f of x will be an increasing function. If it is negative, this is negative, so it is decreasing function. So here we have three cases. The first case, when numerator is greater than 0, that is 1 minus natural log of x is greater than 0. So let's simplify. So we get 1 is greater than natural log of x. So x is less than e. Also x is positive. So we can write 0 is less than, x is less than e. Now the second case, we have the numerator equals to 0. That is 1 minus natural log of x equals 0. So x is equal to e. Now the third case, 1 minus natural log of x is less than 0. So x is greater than e. Now here the derivative of f of x is positive. That means function is increasing. Here the derivative of f of x is smaller than 0, that is negative. So the function is decreasing. And here when x is equal to e, it has a maximum value. So the function looks like this. This is the point where you have the maximum value, that is x is equal to e. And here this side, x is less than e. That means the function is increased, and here the value of x is greater than e. Therefore, the function is decreasing. Now, only compare the values of 3.14 and e. Here we know e is approximately equal to 2.7182818828, 45, 90, 45, and so on. It's irrational. Now, obviously, pi is greater than 3.14 is greater than e. So, they are here. This is 3.14 and it's greater than pi. So when x is equal to 3.14, the natural log of 3.14 over 3.14 is greater than when x is equal to pi, right? When x is greater than e, the function is decreasing. The bigger the x, the smaller the value of the function will be. So now the question is, left hand side is greater or the right hand side? Of course, left hand side is greater. Also, this is greater than this. Then here we have the base e on both sides. So e is greater than 1, so you can say this is greater than this. So therefore, you can say 3.14 to the power of pi is greater than pi to the power of 3.14. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.